looking at the cross. He didn't see anyone coming to give him a fingers of water. Here he was begging you, the one who had done that I'm feel thirsty. I need to be refreshed. I need to be refreshed. Who can refresh me now? Who can take away this burden? When I've done something today, who has something to pay with a glass of water? To them here to tell you again. Jesus was asking for a glass of water. When he said that he did something. Whenever you serve God, whenever you do something good, you are giving Jesus a clean water, glass of water. Whenever you take care of whenever you stand to serve God, you are appreciating what Jesus did for you. You are giving him a clean glass of water. But whenever you don't care, or you just continue sinning, you go into adultery, you go into society, you are giving Jesus a dirty cross of alcohol. Now just sympathize with those who gave him but for you, give Jesus a glass of clean water, clap yourself. Whenever you walk, whenever you move in the right way, saying that I'm doing it for the when he's in the cross, he feels refreshed and the pain is over. But he made his pain. When he said that I'm thirsty, they just continue giving him the growth of alcohol, and even pain just continues.
Hallelujah.
Amen. Now whenever you continue sinning, you are just beating up Jesus. But when he says that I'm thirsty, he is asking for your good ministry. He wants you to refresh him. Praise God. Clap Jesus mightily. Jesus raised and is so good. We thank the one who died and resurrected. The 50th word.
Mark 15 Mariko 15:33
Marko 15:33.
Twebaza Katonda kubanga mulungi.
Thank God for his good. Awe sawa ezaali ziri mukaaga nga waba ekizikiza ku nsi yonna okutuuka ku ssaawa ey'omwenda 34. Awo mu ssaawa ey'omwenda Yesu n'akaaba n'eddoboozi ddene nti, Eloi, Eloi, lama sabakthani. Okutegeeza kwakyo nti, Katonda wange, Katonda wange, kiki ekikundesezza?
Mukama yeebazibwe.
Tusomye Marko 15:33.
Laba yanga essaawa bwe zaali zinaatera zigenda.
When time was almost going up,
ng'obulamu buggwawo,
and life was
wakati mu bulumi awo,
amidst that
aweereza Katonda.
we had served God.
Nagambye tuli wamu ne Mukama waffe.
I told you that we are together with our Lord Jesus Christ. All that believed him, we do all these works together. When he was baptized, we are baptized together. When he was caught and put on the cross, we are crucified together. And the scriptures tell us that when he resurrects, we resurrected together. And here on the cross it says,
Katonda wange, Katonda wange,
that my Lord, why have you forsaken me?
Katonda wange, Katonda wange,
my God, why have you forsaken me?
Yesu tayita Katonda Katonda.
Jesus never called God God.
Katonda yatonda eggulu n'ensi.
The God created, the creator of heaven. Whenever he is speaking with him, he calls him Father. Is the language okay? Whenever he speaks to God, he calls him Father. But when he was on the cross, he said, my God,
Why have you forsaken me?
Emirundi giri esatu gyokka mu Bible.
There are only 3 times in the Bible.
Yesu ebbanga lye yaliwo.
For the old days that the Jesus that he spoke with God when he was saying that God. He used to say that the what we call your God for me is my Father. If you say that God is your God, you would have known me. Now he says my God, my God. As I said,